Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the proximity sensor issue on your Motorola Edge 70. If your screen stays on during calls or acts weird near your face, don't worry, I have got you covered. I will walk you through a few simple steps to solve this problem. Let's get started. Before we start, run a hardware test using the Device Help app to check if the sensor is working properly. So, open the All Apps list and here type in Device Help. Then choose the app, go to the Device Diagnosis chapter, here pick Hardware Test and Proximity Sensor Test. Then cover the sensor with your hand. Alright, status working properly. Complete. If the test passes, like on the screen, great, but if it fails, there might be an issue, so let's try to fix it. First up, make sure your phone's software is up to date. Open the settings, go a little bit down. Here you will find System Updates part. Tap on it and check for updates. Okay, so in my case everything is up to date, but if there is an update available, go ahead and install it. Updates can fix many sensor related issues. Next, let's try restarting your phone. It's simple, but sometimes that's all it takes to fix small glitches with the sensor. So, open the upper menu by swiping down twice. Here pick the power icon and choose Restart. Okay, so the third thing to try is a factory reset. You can find it in the settings. So open the settings app. Go down to the System chapter. Here you will find Reset Options and Erase All Data Factory Reset. Just remember, a factory reset will erase everything on your phone, so be sure to back up your data before doing this. Also, if you have a screen protector, it could be causing the problem, especially if it is a privacy glass. So, remove the protection glass and gently clean the sensor with a soft cloth, like a microfiber towel, for example. The sensor you will find here, near the camera, so like this. Okay, and lastly, if none of these steps fix the problem, the sensor might be physically damaged. In that case, you will need to contact Motorola support or take your phone to a service center for repairs. That's it. I hope one of these tips helped you fix the proximity sensor issue on your Motorola Edge 70. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or other issues with your phone, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.